Alright, you are welcome to my channel once again. So in today's training now, to review to us 5 best-selling products to promote on Expertnaire. Alright, so 5 best-selling products to promote on Expertnaire. Right, when it comes to promoting products on Expertnaire, many people are always confused on what kind of product to promote, how do I get this product people going to buy, and many things like that. Alright, so today I'll be reviewing to us top 5 selling products on Expertnaire, apart from the 72 IG. Alright, so no, 72 IG is one of the hot selling products on Expertnaire. Then aside from 72 IG, there are other hot selling products which many people do not even know about. Okay, so in today's video I want to quickly review to us the top 5 selling products to promote on Expertnaire. Alright, so all you just need to do is to go there, copy your affiliate link, then do your normal format of promoting product. Okay, so in today's training, without wasting time, I want to quickly review to us top 5 selling products on Expertnaire. Alright, then do one thing, to please do well to subscribe to my channel if today is your first time of coming, and also hit the notification bell. Alright, so the number 1 product aside from 72 IG is Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, this is number 1 top selling product currently on Expertnaire. Alright, this is another hot selling product on Expertnaire. If you don't know what this is, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing is a platform that allows you to publish books on Amazon. Okay, so if you go to your Expertnaire, and once you have registered Expertnaire, go to your dashboard, you see the Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Okay, just scroll through it, and if you can't find it there, this hot selling product. Okay, this is it. This hot selling product, just click on it, copy your affiliate link, you just click on it and you are good, paste it, and okay, so this is number 1 hot selling product on Expertnaire currently. Number 1 hot selling product in Expertnaire. Okay, so once you, this is the product I'm talking about, this number 1 hot selling product on Expertnaire. Okay, this number 1 hot selling product on Expertnaire. Alright, so this is number 1. So what you need to do is go to your affiliate dashboard, go to your Expertnaire dashboard rather, go there, you see the Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing there. This is Amazon. Okay, you see the Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, just copy your affiliate link and you are good to go. Alright, that's number 1 hot selling product on Expertnaire currently. Okay, so another one, number 2 hot selling product on Expertnaire is no hassle Naija to Canada Japa system. Alright, this is another hot selling product on Expertnaire. Okay, so there are so many of them. I will be giving us the top 5 selling product on Expertnaire. Just get with me, just stay with me to the end of this training and you will get everything. Okay, the hot selling product, all you just need, get your affiliate link and start promoting. Okay, so this is the number 2 hot selling product, the no hassle Naija to Canada Japa system. This is a product that talks about how to relocate from Naija to Canada. Alright, the product talks about how to relocate from Nigeria to Canada. Alright, so this is a product that is selling currently on Expertnaire because people want to relocate and they are looking for a good and a reliable system to use to relocate. So once you start marketing this product to the right people, you will definitely get your say and everything will turn out good. Okay, so you go to your Expertnaire product, you will see this is what I'm talking about, the no hassle Japa system. So this is a hot selling product currently on Expertnaire. Alright, hope you are enjoying this thing and you are getting value. Please, if you are getting value, just hit the thumb up bell and do well to subscribe if today is your first time. I promise you always be getting value from this my channel. Alright, so number 3 hot selling product on Expertnaire is the STD affiliate cash out workshop, the SED affiliate cash out workshop. So this is another hot selling product on Expertnaire. This is another hot selling product on Expertnaire. Okay, so if you are on the platform and you are confused on which product to sell, because you all know 72 IG is going viral and has gone viral, all right, so and you don't know what other product to promote, you can just pick either of this, either the Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or the No Hassle Naija to Canada Japa system. You can pick either of this or this SED affiliate cash out workshop. These are products that people are promoting and they are making good sales. People are promoting this and they are making good sales. All right, so because everybody, they are looking for one way or the other to make money online, because currently it's always advisable as it is now to look for a way of making money, making extra income online, and either to make extra income or make money in foreign figures. Okay, so these are platforms that offers you the opportunity to do all of that. They offers you the opportunity to do all of that. Like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, it offers you the opportunity to publish book on Amazon and get paid in dollars. All right, so these are platforms, these are products that people are promoting and they are making good sales. All right, so guys, don't sleep on this. Just pick either of this and you are good. And if you have not registered on Expertnaire, I'll equally drop my link on the description below, so you can just register and start selling. The good thing about all of this is that you don't need to create them. You don't need to create the product. People have already created this product. All you need to do is sell and get your commission. All right, so that is the number 3 hot selling product, this SED affiliate. So once you are there, you come to this the SED affiliate by Desmond Okosi. So this is the product I'm talking about. Just click on this, get your, this is the affiliate commission, click on it, then you come here, paste and see how it is. All right, so people are working on this, so you don't need to sleep on all of this. Just pick a product and you can see this is it. This is the affiliate this is the affiliate what's it called, sales page of the product. So let me not bore you with all of this. Just go to your dashboard and get the link and you start promoting. All right, so the number 4 hot selling product on Expertnaire is the ultimate 0 to $2K blueprint. The ultimate 0 to $2. This is a blueprint that teaches you how to make money, how to go from 0 naira to 2K, how to go from 0 to $2K blueprint, selling products. All right, selling products. All right. So the thing there is people, or some people already have some of this product, but they don't know how to promote. People have products but they don't know how to promote. So with all of this platform, this is a blueprint. Okay, let me just take us to the affiliate listing and let's see how it is. Where is it? Okay, hope you are getting value. Please, if you are, do well to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up, and I always guarantee you definitely get values from this channel. Okay, so let's just get this. Let me get this link and let's see what we have there. Okay. Okay, good. Yeah, this is it, the ultimate 0 to $2K blueprint. Let's click on it, get our affiliates, and let's paste it there and see how it looks. Okay, good. Right, good. All right, so this is the affiliate page. It teaches you how to, you can see Bruno. So this is a working system that people are using to make money online. So all you need to do is to get it and learn the necessary skills and put all of the information you'll be learning here to practice. Okay, so that is the hot selling product number 4, hot selling product on Expertnaire. Then the last but not the least, hot selling, the number 5 hot selling product on Expertnaire is the high paid freelance Freelance Premiere program. This program is a program that teaches how to offer your skill. All right, it's a high paid freelance premiere program. Okay, so the good thing about all of this is that people are created this product for you. You just need to pick it up and promote and get your commission. Okay, so you can access this product, the high paid premium freelance premiere program. Okay, let's see how the affiliate page looks like. Let's see. Okay, good. You can have that. Okay, so let's see. All right. Okay, good. You can see. Okay. You can see. So this is a course that offers you opportunity to offer your high skill service. Offer your high skill service to a foreign client and get paid in foreign currency. All right. Email operator. You can see. These are people offering their iPhone. You can see. All right. So people are offering all of this. It gives you the platform to offer your high skill your high skill to foreign clients, right? This is a copywriter, right? The copywriter. This is a web designer. Kind of client I work with now pay me 100 both. What I open my eyes to the opportunity. All right, so you see, this one is also visual assistant taking. Prior to taking Water's program, I was already building myself, but his program helped me see how best to utilize my skill and work with top quality foreign clients. Okay, so that is the advantage. Let people know he's good. Have a gig 5,000 because of him. You can see. All right, so this is what we are talking about. Then, but I just got my first gig. All right, so you see, it's a writing gig, 12 hours, $12 per hour. You can imagine. That's all right. So that is what we're talking about. People are offering all of these services. You can see. Wow. You can see. So just pick the product and you are good. People are looking for you. You can do your work from anywhere, from your house, from your hotel, from your friend's house, from a restaurant, and so on. Right, this is a freelance skill, right? It's a freelancing program that offers you the opportunity to promote your skill to foreign clients. You can see, where do I find foreign client to work with? That will be a problem, as there is always going to be an abundance of clients. You can get them on freelancing platform like Upwork and Fiverr, or social media platforms like this. I will be showing you how to get all of this. But first, I want you to know, to become a high-paid freelancer who ends up 2,000 monthly, working from the comfort of living comfortably and being able to take care of your needs and that of your loved one, you will need to be willing to put in the work. Yes, you have to work. So it's just the freelancing program in August, and you are good. Beginner friendly Upwork master that is designed to take you from zero. How to set up your Upwork account to get approved instantly. The correct to set up your Upwork into that. So all of this, the linking outbound client acquisition master, how anyone can find and close high clients without relying on any log, code messaging techniques. Alright, so these are the things you get to enjoy when you get the course. So that is all of that. These are a 5 hot selling product on Expertnaire. Okay, so do well to subscribe if today is your first time, and also hit the notification bell. Please, I strongly recommend that you give this video a thumbs up if you are getting value from it. All right, so thank you so much for staying with me to this end of this video, and do have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.